Welcome everyone, my name is Kat. We are going to work through a little tutorial today on Salabhasana, also known as Locust pose. So it's a nice little back bend we can do either at the start or at the end of our practice. And we're working on opening, lengthening through the entire front body and strengthening through the entire back body. There's a few different variations of this pose, so I'm just going to show you the full pose, but keep in mind that you can lift one leg at a time, you can lift just your torso and your chest, you can lift just your legs, being mindful of your lower back and how that feels. So to begin, we'll come onto our belly, your forehead will be down, arms are down by the sides. We're going to point our toes, lift our kneecaps, activate our glutes, externally rotate the shoulders so your shoulder blades are moving towards each other on your back. Lift your arms up, palms face in, and reach your fingers back. We want to actively feel like we are resisting gravity here. With all of this switched on, take a breath in. Stay for an exhale. And then with an inhale, lift everything up. Feet, legs, chest, head. Now you can keep your chin slightly tucked, or you can take a tiny little look forward. We don't want to lift our head right back and kind of crank into the back of our neck here. We keep inhaling, lifting, making sure it feels good in our lower back. We're not looking for pain or pinching. We can soften and settle with our exhale. Maybe inhale, find more length, more depth. And then exhale to release. Take one cheek to the floor. We give ourselves space after this pose to reset, relax. We don't need to immediately push ourselves into a counter pose. We can just stop and settle for a moment. And then when you're ready, lift yourself up. Maybe you find child's pose. Maybe you come to lay on your back with your knees bent. Let yourself counter pose and let yourself reset out of Salabhasana in a way that works best for your body. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Shoot through any questions if you have them, and I'll see you next time. Bye.